Do you want to extract email addresses from your Office 365 or Microsoft account? In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to utilize OAuth 2.0 for email extraction to extract any mail ultimate. By the end of this video, you'll be able to extract email addresses safely and efficiently. Start by logging into your Office 365 or Microsoft account using a modern web browser, such as Chrome or Firefox. Navigate to the Microsoft login URL and enter your credentials. Once logged in, go to Next, we will register an application in the Azure portal. Go to Microsoft Entra ID, select Add, and click on App Registration. Provide your app's name and choose the third account type. For the application type, enter the redirect URL, http localhost 3017. After registration, copy the client ID from the app's overview page. Enable public client flow by navigating to Manage, then Authentication. Set Allow Public Client Flows to Yes and click Save. Now, add an OAuth account and extract any mail ultimate. Install the software if you haven't already. Open the software and click on the Add Account option. Select the OAuth Login Account option to launch the Account Setup wizard. Enter the email address you wish to extract and choose the browser where you're logged in. Input the client ID from earlier and click Next to open a new window in your selected browser. Re-enter your email address, approve the login, and accept the terms to grant the application access. Upon successful connection, you will see Extract any mail ultimate authentication successful. In the application, you'll see Success, OAuth Authentication. Select all folders or specific folder via the Load Folders option and click Finish to complete the account addition for extraction. To begin the email extraction process, click Start Task. In the next window, select Do Not Mark Email as Read and click Start Process. The email extractor will retrieve addresses based on your selections. Once extraction is complete, click Export Results and choose your preferred file format for saving. If you only need email addresses, select the Export Text option. For more detailed information, choose one of the other options available. In summary, we have discussed how to register an application in the Azure portal and obtain the client ID from Microsoft accounts, allowing you to efficiently extract email addresses using Extract Any Mail Ultimate. Please be aware that settings may vary based on your account and organization. If you encounter any issues during setup, feel free to contact our support team.